Graphs from slope-intercept form. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to go ahead and make our graph here. So we have the following problem. We have y is equal to 4/5 x minus 7. You got to remember that the form that you need to memorize is y is equal to mx plus b. So you should realize when you match this up, this is your m and this is your b. Now your b is the y-intercept. So this is where you're going to start from. So you're going to start with the -7. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide our point on -7. So we move 1 point on -7. Now the next part is your slope. And your slope is 4/5. Now 4 is a positive number, so that means we're going to go up 4 on the elevator, and then we're going to move to the right 5. So let's count up 5. So we're going to go 1 for -6, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're now at -2. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we want to go to the right. Actually, we want to go up 4, my mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we stop at -3. Now we want to move across 5. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we start at -7, and we should go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we move to the right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We see that's our other point. So let's check this. Okay, next question. We got y is equal to -x minus 6. And again, we want to work from the formula y is equal to mx plus b. So there's no number next to x, so we call this a -1. That's your m, that's your b. So this is where we're going to start. So we're going to start with the -6. So we're going to slide this down. Remember, we always start from the y-axis. So we start at -6 because that is your y-intercept. Okay, now we're going to have -1, but you always want to make these as a fraction. So since the top number is negative, we're going to go down 1, but then we're going to move to the right 1. So if we're at -6, we're going to go down 1 and then to the right 1. So down 1 and to the right 1. Notice you also have a negative slope. Anytime you have a negative slope, negative means that your line is going down. And our graph does go down, so it matches the negative. So let's check it. Okay, next question. We got y is equal to 6/5 x plus 1. So again, y is equal to mx plus b. So this is your m, this is your b. So we're going to start, this is going to be my y-intercept, so we're going to start with 1, and then we have a positive 6, 5. So we're going to start with 1, so we're right here. So now we got a positive 6, so how you interpret a positive 6 is you want to go up 6, but then you want to go to the right 5. So let's count up 6. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that brings me up to 7. But now we want to step across 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up 6. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and over 5. Notice it's a positive slope, so the line should be going up. Because when you look from your left point to your right point is above it, so it is going up. Okay, next one. We got y is equal to 2x minus 7. So again, your formula that you want to use, y is equal to mx plus b. So this is your m and this is your b. This is where you want to start, and then your slope, you want to write this as 2/1 because m is your slope. Since 2 is positive, we go up 2, but then we go to the right 1. So we're going to start at -7, which is here. We're going to go up to 1, 2, that's at the -5, but then we want to move to 1. Because remember, you always want this to be a fraction. So if you ever have a whole number or an integer, you want to write those over 1. So again, we start at -7, we go up to over 1. Also, 2 is a positive number, so again, we should realize that the slope is going up, so the right is above the left.